So I had this Netflix issue where one of my cards expired and I could not renew my Netflix membership. And since I relocated, I now have to use a card from a different country where I actually am. So in this video, we have the issue where you have to verify your phone number. Now in my account settings, my phone number is verified, but whenever I put in that new card, it asks for verification. What's going to happen right now is I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Here it is on the screen. Now you can't really get a video of actually what's going on, but I can explain it. So when you put in your card details to update your payment information, what I get is this text verification screen. But every time I put in a number, it says phone number is required. It says phone number is required, but that's the exact number that I have verified and received text on all the time. And I still use my same phone number from the previous country. Regardless, I tried different phone numbers, it still doesn't work. I tried a VPN, it still doesn't work. I tried laptop, I tried on the TV, and I also tried on my mobile phone. I still cannot verify my phone number. It says phone number is required. The unfortunate thing is that you cannot change your country code. It uses the same country code that you have with Netflix, the country that you've chosen. So in this video, to keep it nice and short, what I'm going to show you is the easy way. There's two ways to it. Either you can get a new VPN, or to make it simply straight to the answer, you cancel a membership and you restart. You might lose or you will lose progress of all the series that you've watched, all the series that you will be watching. So just bear in mind your favorites. So before you go ahead and update your payment information, because you now can no longer watch series, or you probably still can, but it will soon expire because you need to update payment information on Netflix. But you need to take note of all the series, all the movies that you're watching, that you need to continue to watch, ones that you are not familiar with, and go ahead with this step. So here you see on the screen, you see that I have a message above. This alert says that your membership has been cancelled, and this was the only way I could have done it. I did. I went to my images survey, I went to account settings, and in account settings, I cancel membership. There you are seeing your payment card, and you also see the membership that you had. I think I had Ultra HD, something like that. So I had to cancel the membership. Now what's going to happen? The only way it can work is to restart the membership. And from there, you know what to do. You've probably done it before. So I'm going to choose a membership just for me to watch Vikings, because Vikings is freaking awesome. So here, I can now put in a card and I upload it out anyways. Now I'm going to acknowledge this, start my membership. I will now get a verification on for my card, the app, and I will approve it. And generally, that is it. So right now, welcome back to Netflix. That's it for this video. Many people have this issue, and if you have any issues right now, I'm always searching for ideas for content. Please, in the comments, you can send me your issues. If it's something really petty, I can just respond to it in the comments and give you the solution. If it deserves a video, that means probably a lot of people have that issue. I will actually help. So right here, I'm good to go. And I still have all my profile names, as you can see. Probably I still have to change, probably lose my series and so on, but still have my profiles. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more.